Welcome, everyone, to today's webinar, AI is for Everyone, Breaking Barriers to Drive Innovation. I'm so glad you could join us. AI is often seen as something reserved for technical experts or data scientists, but today we're here to break down those barriers. This webinar will show you how AI is accessible to everyone, no matter your role or level of technical expertise. We'll explore practical examples, user-friendly tools, and clear steps you can take to start leveraging AI in your organization immediately. By the end of today, I hope you'll feel empowered to use AI to drive innovation and efficiency, whether you're in marketing, operations, HR, or leadership. For those of you who are new here, I'm Dr. Brian Lambert, and I'll be guiding you through today's session. Before we dive in, here's a quick tip. If you have questions during the webinar, drop them in the chat. We'll have a Q&A session at the end to address as many of them as we can. And if you're inspired by anything you hear, share your thoughts on social media using the hashtag digital command. We'd love to hear from you. Let's get started. I like to start with a centering concept. Let's take a moment to understand the workforce of the future and the role artificial intelligence plays in shaping it. We often hear about blue-collar and white-collar workers, but the workforce today is evolving into something new: purple-collar workers. These are individuals who combine technical knowledge with creative problem-solving to thrive in a digital-first economy. Let me explain what that means. I see four key qualities that define purple-collar workers: the people who are driving innovation, leading teams, and solving real-world challenges in today's workplaces. Strategic-minded. Purple-collar workers focus on achieving goals and targets. They do not just complete tasks. They align their work with broader organizational strategies. Data. Ready. In the digital age, data is power. These workers use data to inform decisions, execute strategies, and unlock opportunities. They don't need to be data scientists, but they know how to leverage insights. Customer focused. Elevating customer value is critical. Purple collar workers understand buyer needs, use empathy, and leverage digital tools to create experiences that resonate with their audience. Problem solver. At the core, these individuals tackle challenges head on. They embrace digital tools to accelerate customer value, optimize workflows, and drive innovation. Purple collar workers are the bridge between technical teams and business goals. They are the leaders who take command of change, break through barriers, and make AI and digital tools work for everyone, regardless of industry or role. Let's pause for a moment. Which of these four qualities do you see most in your teams or in yourself? Drop it in the chat. AI is rapidly evolving and growing. Organizations across the globe are leveraging its potential to transform processes, improve decision-making, and drive growth. But just how significant is AI's impact today? Let's take a closer look at the numbers. I want to call out two critical statistics that show just how transformative AI is and why it matters for every organization. $15.7 trillion. That's the projected global contribution of AI to the economy by 2030. To put this into perspective, AI isn't just a nice to have. It's a significant economic driver that's reshaping industries at a massive scale. From automation to insights, organizations that embrace AI will tap into this immense opportunity. 80% of executives, that's the percentage of leaders who view AI as a strategic priority, AI is no longer just a tool for experimentation. It's central to how companies stay competitive, innovate, and scale. Why does this matter? AI isn't just for tech giants or data scientists. It's creating value across industries like healthcare, retail, finance, and manufacturing by improving processes, enabling better decision making, and personalizing customer experiences. Whether you're streamlining operations, automating workflows, or making smarter decisions with data, AI is an opportunity for every leader and every team. Let's explore some of the practical ways you can harness AI's potential no matter your role or industry. One of the biggest misconceptions about AI is that it's reserved for technical teams or those who can write complex code. But the reality is very different. AI tools today are designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of technical background. Let's break down this myth. Let's address a common barrier we often hear when it comes to AI. The myth: AI requires coding skills and is only for technical teams. This belief has prevented so many people from exploring AI's potential, thinking it's out of reach for non technical roles like marketing, HR, or operations. However, here's the reality: AI tools like ChatGPT for text and DALL-E for visuals make AI accessible to anyone. You don't need to know how to code or have a technical degree to start using AI effectively. These tools are intuitive, user friendly, and designed to help you get results quickly. And here's the key point: AI doesn't replace your role, it enhances it. By automating repetitive tasks or generating new ideas, AI frees up your time so you can focus on higher value activities like strategy, creativity, and customer engagement. For example, marketing teams can use ChatGPT to brainstorm campaign ideas or draft content quickly. Designers can use DALL-E to create visuals in seconds without needing advanced design skills. Operations teams can automate routine reports, saving hours each week. AI empowers everyone to work smarter, not harder, and it removes barriers that once existed. It's no longer about having a technical skill set, it's about having the willingness to explore these tools and use them to your advantage. Let me ask you this: what's one task in your role that you'd love to streamline or automate with AI? Drop your thoughts in the chat. Now that we've talked about breaking down barriers, let's simplify the key things you need to know about AI. Don't worry, I'll keep this straightforward and easy to follow. These 5 concepts will help you understand artificial intelligence at a practical level, so you can start using it confidently. I'm going to give you the top 5 AI concepts you need to know to start building confidence and clarity around artificial intelligence. These concepts will help you understand AI more clearly and show you how to start using it, no matter your role. First, foundation models. Foundation models are large AI systems that form the backbone of most AI tools we use today. These foundations are trained on massive amounts of data, and they can perform a wide range of tasks. For example, GPT for text, DALL-E for images, and Stable Diffusion for creative visuals. Why does this matter? Because these models power everything from generating reports to creating designs. They're flexible, scalable, and adaptable to different uses. Second, prompt engineering. This is all about crafting the right prompts or inputs to get the best outputs from AI tools. Think of it as asking the right questions to get the correct answers. For example, with ChatGPT, a well-written prompt can produce an entire marketing plan or draft an email. With DALL-E, A good prompt can generate visuals that match exactly what you're looking for. Why does this matter? The better your prompts, the better your results. Learning this skill unlocks the full power of AI tools. Third, text to X models. These are AI tools that take a text description and turn it into something else, like images, code, music, or even video. For example, tools like DALL-E generate images from text. GitHub Copilot turns text into code. Runway ML creates videos from a simple description. Why does this matter? Text to X models are making it easier than ever to be creative and productive, even if you're not a designer, coder, or artist. Fourth, fine-tuning and customization. This is where you take a pre-trained AI model and adapt it to meet your specific needs. For example, you could customize an AI model for customer support to answer questions in your brand's voice, or train it on industry-specific data like healthcare or finance. Why does this matter? Fine-tuning makes AI more relevant, accurate, and impactful for your business. It's like tailoring a suit. You get a perfect fit for your needs. Finally, ethical and responsible AI. This is one of the most important concepts. It concerns ensuring that AI is transparent, unbiased, and used responsibly. Key considerations include protecting data privacy, avoiding misinformation, and respecting copyright laws. Why does this matter? Trust and responsibility are essential for AI adoption. Using AI ethically ensures compliance, builds trust with your customers, and supports long-term success. So, to recap, foundation models are the building blocks of AI. Prompt engineering helps you get the best results. Text to X models turn your ideas into visuals, code, or media. Fine-tuning makes AI specific to your needs. Ethical AI ensures it's used responsibly. If you understand these 5 concepts, you're well on your way to leveraging AI in your organization. Let me ask you, which of these concepts excites you the most or feels the most relevant to your role? Please share your thoughts in the chat. Now that we've explored the key concepts of AI, you might be wondering, how do I actually use these ideas in real life? Let's look at some practical AI tools and how they're being applied in everyday scenarios. AI tools are more accessible than ever, and you don't need to be a technical expert to use them. Here are 3 categories of AI tools that can have an immediate impact on your work. First, text-based AI. Tools like ChatGPT allow you to generate content quickly, whether that's drafting emails, writing blog posts, or brainstorming ideas. For example, if you need to respond to 20 customer emails in an hour, ChatGPT can help you get a head start. Text-based AI tools are perfect for saving time on writing tasks, automating responses, and generating ideas. Second, visual AI. Visual AI is all about creating graphics, designs, and even videos in minutes. Tools like Canva help you create polished visuals for social media, presentations, and marketing materials. No design background is needed. Then there's Synthesia, which allows you to create AI-generated videos from text. Imagine turning a script into a video presentation without hiring a production team. That sounds pretty great, doesn't it? So why does that matter? Well, visual AI tools are empowering teams to create high-quality designs and videos at scale, saving both time and money. Third, analytics AI. For those working with data, tools like Tableau and Power BI are game changers. They allow you to take complex data and transform it into clear, actionable insights with visual dashboards. For example, Instead of manually pulling reports and sifting through spreadsheets, analytics AI can generate charts and trends instantly, helping you make data driven decisions faster. Why does this matter? Because these tools represent how artificial intelligence can be applied to real tasks, whether you're creating content, designing visuals, or analyzing data. The best part is that they don't require advanced technical skills to use. They're built to empower everyone, from marketers and project managers to sales teams and leaders, to do more with less. Quick question for you. What's one area, writing, design, or analytics, where AI could make your life easier? Drop your answer in the chat. So now that we've talked about the tools you can use, let's see AI in action. I'm going to show you 4 real-world examples of how AI is being used to solve common business challenges. I want to provide now some examples that highlight how AI is creating real value across different areas of business. These are based on real-life projects I have been involved in. First, in the area of marketing. AI is transforming how companies connect with their customers by personalizing experiences and automating content creation. For example, AI can analyze customer data to create tailored product recommendations or generate blog posts and ad copy with tools like ChatGPT. The result? Marketing teams can deliver more relevant content and experiences at scale, saving time and boosting engagement. Second, in the HR field. In human resources, AI is being used to make recruitment and workforce planning smarter and faster. For example, AI powered tools can scan thousands of resumes in seconds, identify the best candidates, and even help predict workforce needs based on trends. This allows HR teams to focus less on manual tasks and more on building stronger, more productive teams. Third, in sales. AI helps sales teams prioritize leads and close deals faster by automating tasks like lead scoring. For example, AI algorithms can analyze data to identify which leads are most likely to convert, allowing sales teams to focus their efforts on the right opportunities. This means better results, less guesswork, and more time spent on actual selling. Finally, in the customer support arena, AI-powered chatbots are revolutionizing customer service by providing instant, efficient support to customers 24/7. For example, chatbots can handle FAQs, troubleshoot fundamental issues, and even direct customers to the right teams when needed. The result? Faster responses, happier customers, and reduced workloads for support teams. The key takeaway here is that AI is already delivering tangible results across industries: marketing, HR, sales, and customer support. These examples are just the beginning, and they show how AI can simplify workflows, improve decision making, and drive growth for businesses of any size. Which of these areas, marketing, HR, sales, or customer support, do you see the biggest opportunity for AI in your organization? Share it in the chat. All right, let's talk about something we hear a lot. AI is terrible and it's not an advancement I want to get on board with. If that's how you feel, or maybe what you've heard from others, this next part is for you. Let's have an honest conversation about it. Change has always been hard for humans. It's part of who we are. When something new comes along, it's natural for us to feel skeptical, uncomfortable, or even outright resistant. Let's rewind a little bit through history. When fire was first discovered, I'm sure someone said, "This is dangerous. I don't trust it." But fire became the foundation for cooking, warmth, and progress. When someone invented the wheel, there were probably skeptics grumbling, "Why do we need this? Walking works just fine." The wheel changed transportation forever. Fast forward to electricity. People were genuinely afraid of light bulbs. Why replace gas lamps? This stuff is unnatural. But can you imagine life without it? Even the washing machine faced resistance. Some said, "I've washed clothes by hand my whole life. This machine won't do it as well." Today, it's a household essential. And the iPhone? When it was first introduced, people mocked it. Why combine a phone, music, and the internet? That'll never work. Fast forward, and it completely changed how we live and work. Here's the point. Every significant advancement, fire, the wheel, electricity, the washing machine, and even smartphones faced resistance at first. But in every case, those advancements transformed lives, workplaces, and entire industries. So when I hear AI is terrible, here's what I say. But yes, AI is new, disruptive, and can feel unfamiliar or even intimidating. But AI is also an opportunity. Just like fire, the wheel, or electricity, AI has the potential to solve problems, save time, and create progress we can't even fully imagine yet. So far, we've talked about the potential of AI and seen some real world examples of where it's already driving results. But what tools can you actually use today, and how are they applied across different areas of work? Let's break this down into three key categories of tools and use cases. The three categories I will share reflect how AI powered tools are already transforming how we work, interact with customers, and even manage healthcare. Let's go through them one by one. First, productivity tools. AI is a game changer when it comes to making workplaces more efficient. Tools like Microsoft Copilot, Google Workspace, and Notion AI automate tasks like summarizing emails, generating documents, and organizing workflows. For example, instead of spending hours catching up on emails, AI can summarize your inbox in minutes. There are also tools like Grammarly for writing support and Otter.ai for transcriptions and note taking during meetings. Why does this matter? Because AI is helping us clear up busy work. We can focus on more strategic, creative tasks that actually move the needle. Second, customer experience enhancements. AI is completely transforming how businesses engage with their customers. Think about chatbots and virtual assistants like ChatGPT, Siri, and Alexa. They provide instant support, answer queries, and even recommend products. Then you have recommendation systems. Platforms like Netflix, Amazon, and Spotify use AI to analyze what you like and deliver personalized recommendations. Why does this matter? AI helps businesses deliver faster, smarter, and more personalized experiences that keep customers engaged and satisfied. Third, healthcare and diagnostics. In healthcare, AI is making an incredible impact. Tools like IBM Watson Health and DeepMind are diagnosing diseases, analyzing medical images, and predicting patient outcomes with impressive accuracy. On a more personal level, AI-driven wearables like Fitbit and the Apple Watch monitor health metrics in real time and give us valuable feedback on our well-being. Why does this matter? AI isn't just improving how we work, it's literally saving lives by helping healthcare professionals detect issues earlier and empowering us to take control of our health. The big picture here is this: AI tools are already making a difference in productivity, customer experiences, and healthcare. These aren't futuristic ideas, they're tools you can explore and apply right now. So, which category, productivity, customer experience, or healthcare, do you think could make the most significant impact to you or your organization? Drop your thoughts in the chat. So far, we've talked about AI tools and use cases, but where does AI live and how is it delivered? Whether you're an end user, a developer, or an enterprise leader, there's a delivery model for you. Let's break this down into three key areas. Three AI delivery models show how AI is being used at different levels by individuals, developers, and entire organizations. Let's walk through each one. First, applications for end users. These are tools and platforms we use every day, often without even realizing there's AI behind the scenes. For example, mobile apps like Google Lens use AI for image recognition, while Duolingo uses it to personalize language learning based on your progress. Even apps like food delivery and dating apps use artificial intelligence to deliver content recommendations tailored just for you. Then you have SaaS platforms, tools like Zoom, AI Companion for meeting summaries, HubSpot AI for improving customer service, and Asana AI for more innovative project management. The key takeaway here is that AI is enhancing the tools we already use, making everyday tasks simpler, faster, and smarter. Second, AI platforms and tools. This is where developers and data scientists come in. These platforms give them the tools to create and build AI powered solutions. For example, APIs and frameworks like the OpenAI API, Google Cloud AI, AWS AI, and machine learning services, and Hugging Face allow developers to integrate AI into applications. They provide tools for natural language processing, search and retrieval, as well as predictive analytics. Then there's custom model development. Data scientists use tools like PyTorch, TensorFlow, and Jupyter notebooks to create and train AI models that solve very specific problems. Why does this matter? These tools power the AI apps we use and enable companies to innovate faster. Developers and data scientists are the builders behind the scenes. Third, enterprise AI. At the enterprise level, AI is being deployed to solve big challenges and drive business decisions. For example, companies use AI driven decision systems like Salesforce Einstein, SAP AI, and IBM Watson to automate processes, predict market trends, and personalize customer interactions in tools like CRM and ERP. AI is also used in operations. Think about fraud detection with tools like PayPal's AI, supply chain optimization with Blue Yonder, or employee management with Workday AI. The big picture? Enterprise AI isn't just about tools, it's about transforming workflows, improving accuracy, and delivering actual business outcomes. So, whether you're an end user leveraging AI enhanced apps, a developer building with APIs, or an enterprise leader optimizing operations, there's an AI delivery model tailored to your needs. Here's a quick thought. Which delivery model do you interact with most often? Are you using AI in your apps, building with tools, or deploying it at scale in your organization? Let me know in the chat. Now that we've seen how artificial intelligence works in a variety of ways, let's simplify it. Here are three easy steps to help you get started with artificial intelligence, no matter your role. Step 1. Identify quick tasks. Start by finding tasks that are complex, time consuming, or creating bottlenecks in your work. Ask yourself, what's one task I do over and over again? For example, summarizing emails, organizing data, or scheduling meetings are great opportunities for AI to step in and save you time. Step 2. Explore some of these tools. Once you've identified a task, explore beginner friendly AI tools that fit your needs. For writing, use ChatGPT. For visuals, try Canva. For data, tools like Tableau can help analyze and visualize trends. Most of these tools are easy to use and don't require any technical skills. Just start with one. Step 3. Experiment. Now test it out. Start small, learn as you go, and don't worry about being perfect. For example, use ChatGPT to draft an email or automate a simple task with an AI-powered app. Treat AI as your partner. Play around, see what works, and adjust as needed. Here's the key takeaway. AI doesn't have to be complicated. Identify a task, explore a tool, and experiment. Start small today, and you'll see big improvements over time. Start by asking yourself, what's one task I can simplify with AI? Now that we've talked about the incredible potential of artificial intelligence, it's important to pause and acknowledge a reality. AI is not perfect. Like any tool, AI has limitations, and understanding these will help us use it more responsibly and effectively. Let's be honest, AI is powerful, but it's not magic. It's a tool, and like any tool, it comes with its own set of limitations and challenges. First, AI is susceptible to bias. AI models are only as good as the data they're trained on. If the data reflects societal biases, whether that's in hiring practices, language, or imagery, those same biases can show up in the AI's outputs. For example, an AI tool trained on biased hiring data might unfairly favor certain applicants over others. It's a reminder that we need to be vigilant about where data comes from and how AI systems are designed. Second, AI needs more common sense and creativity. While AI can generate amazing content or solve complex problems, it doesn't think like a human. AI can summarize, automate, and analyze, but it doesn't understand context the way we do. It doesn't know what's right or wrong, and it can't replace human judgment or creativity. This is why AI works best as a partner, not a replacement, helping us do more while we contribute critical thinking and creative ideas. Third, security and ethical challenges. AI systems can be vulnerable to adversarial attacks and misuse. For instance, malicious users can manipulate AI tools to spread misinformation, create fake content, or automate harmful tasks. There's also the challenge of data privacy. How much of our information is being consumed, shared, or stored? Finally, AI faces a data challenge. In recent months, researchers have noted that AI needs more publicly available data to train on. As AI models become larger and more advanced, they need more data, but data isn't infinite. This raises questions about how we'll continue to train AI responsibly without compromising privacy or ethics. The bottom line is this: AI isn't perfect, and it's essential to approach it with caution and responsibility. By understanding its limitations, bias, lack of common sense, ethical risks, and data challenges, we can make smarter choices about how we use AI. Remember, AI is a capability and a tool, and its power lies in how we use it. It's up to us to ensure that AI is applied thoughtfully, ethically, and in a way that benefits everyone. Here's a question to reflect on. What's one limitation of AI that concerns you most? And how do you think we can address it? Feel free to share your thoughts in the chat. Overcoming AI challenges doesn't require a huge budget or a team of experts. It's about being intentional, starting small, and building confidence over time. Here's how you can do that. Step 1. Start small. The best way to begin is to keep it simple. Focus on low cost, beginner friendly tools that solve specific problems. For example, you can use Grammarly to improve writing efficiency or Zapier to automate repetitive tasks, like sending follow up emails. Starting small lets you test the waters without overwhelming your team or processes. You'll quickly see where AI can add value. Step 2, evaluate results. Once you've started, take time to measure the impact of AI on your workflows. Ask yourself this: is this tool saving us time? Is it improving productivity or accuracy? For example, if you're using AI to automate emails, compare how much time you're saving each week. Or if you're using analytics tools, check how quickly decisions are being made with better data. The goal here is to identify what's working and what needs tweaking so you can build on success. Step 3, scale gradually. Finally, once you see results, you can start to expand AI adoption. Think of this like leveling up. Start with one small project, prove its value, and then move on to other areas of your work or business. For example, if AI works well for automating customer support, explore how it can help in marketing or project management next. Here's the big picture to remember: overcoming AI challenges doesn't have to feel daunting. Start small, evaluate the results, and scale gradually. This step by step process builds confidence, delivers value, and helps you make smarter decisions along the way. Here's a quick question: what's one small area in your work where you'd like to experiment with AI? Drop it in the chat. I'd love to hear your thoughts. At this point, you might be thinking, okay, I see the opportunity, I see the tools, but why is it still so hard to take action? Well, it's not just you. Many of us face what we call the five tangles, the barriers that keep us stuck, hesitant, or overwhelmed when it comes to change, including AI adoption. Taking action isn't always easy, and it's not because you lack the skills or drive. It's because sometimes you're tangled. These tangles are common challenges that slow us down or stop us altogether. Let's break them down. First, the time tangle. This sounds like, I don't have time. It happens when you're juggling too many priorities, and volatility in your environment makes it hard to focus. You feel like you can't carve out a moment to even think about adopting AI or changing processes, so you stay stuck. Second, the more tangle. This is when you say, I need more information. Uncertainty is the root cause here. You might feel like you don't know enough about AI, the risks, or the tools to make a decision. The result? You hesitate and keep waiting for more clarity. Third, the waste tangle. This is when you think it's not worth it. This tangle comes from complexity. Maybe AI feels too big, too complicated, or too expensive even to try. So you tell yourself it's better to stick with what you know, even if it's not efficient. Fourth, the right tangle. This one sounds like I need to get it right. It comes from ambiguity and the fear of failure. You feel that if you don't get it perfect the first time, it's not worth trying. So instead of taking a small step, you end up doing nothing. Finally, the control tangle. This is when you say, it needs to be a certain way. It's tied to the status quo, the belief that things are fine just as they are. Maybe you're comfortable with your current processes, and the idea of change feels unnecessary or even disruptive. These tangles, time, uncertainty, complexity, ambiguity, and the status quo, are what hold us back. They're normal, but they're not insurmountable. Once you recognize where you're tangled, you can start to untangle yourself and take action. And here's the good news: If you're interested in overcoming these tangles, I have a course at the Digital Command Academy you can check out. Simply go to digitalcommand.co and click on training to learn more. Take a second and ask yourself this: which of these tangles sounds most familiar to you? Is it time, more information, or fear of not getting it right? Drop it in the chat. I'd love to hear where you're at. Okay, let's move on to audience questions. I want to make sure we have time for a Q&A. Let me check the chat to see what you've been asking. These are great questions. Okay, I see. Let's dive into a few of these. The first question: do I need a technical background to start using artificial intelligence in my organization? I would say not at all. AI tools today are designed to be user friendly and accessible for everyone, regardless of technical expertise. In this webinar, I talked about some of these platforms that are fairly easy to learn. Find ways to explore how to automate tasks like content creation and workflow management without requiring any coding. The key is to start small and focus on tools that directly solve your day-to-day challenges. All right, here's another question. That question is, how can I identify which tasks in my team are best suited for AI? That's a great question. Start by looking at repetitive and time-consuming tasks. For example, if your team spends hours analyzing data, tools like Tableau or Power BI can automate those insights. Similarly, if you're handling lots of customer inquiries, AI chatbots can manage FAQs. Focus on tasks that are manual but follow clear patterns. AI thrives in those scenarios. Okay, next question. What's the biggest misconception about using AI in business? Yeah, I talk about this one a lot. One of the biggest misconceptions is that AI will replace jobs. The reality is that AI enhances roles by automating mundane tasks, giving your team more time to focus on strategy, creativity, and high value work. It's not about replacement, it's about augmentation. Another misconception is that you need to invest heavily in AI. In fact, many tools are affordable or even free to start with. Okay, let's see. We have time for a few more. Here we go. Here's one. How do I ensure my team embraces AI instead of resisting it? Yeah, that's great. I really like that this leader asked about this. It shows they are trying to find the right blend of corporate approach while also embracing some innovation. Remember, adoption often starts with education and demonstrating value. Begin by introducing artificial intelligence tools that solve a specific pain point for your team. Show them how AI can make their jobs easier and more impactful, such as automating tedious tasks so they can focus on more meaningful work. Also, foster an open environment where they can experiment and ask questions without fear of failure. Okay, last question. Let's see. That question is, what's the first step I should take to bring AI into my organization? To me, I always recommend the first step is to identify one clear problem you want to solve with AI. For example, if you struggle with customer response times, look at AI chatbots. If your challenge is analyzing data, explore visualization tools like Power BI. Once you've chosen a focus, start small, test the tool, and gather feedback from your team to refine the implementation. Remember, incremental steps can lead to big results. All right, I want to share one more resource with you that can truly help you take everything we've talked about today even further. It's my book, The AI Lead. This book was created for leaders like you, people who want to understand AI, overcome challenges, and turn AI into a tool for success. But here's the thing, it's not about technical jargon or complicated processes. The AI Lead gives you practical, easy to follow strategies to adopt AI confidently in your work or team, no matter your background. Bridge the gap between leadership and technology so you can lead the way in driving growth and innovation. Build an AI ready mindset, empowering you and your team to embrace change and thrive in a digital first economy. Whether you're leading a team, making strategic decisions, or just getting started with AI, this book is designed to meet you where you are and give you precise, actionable steps you can implement right away. We've covered a lot today, from understanding AI concepts to overcoming challenges and untangling what holds us back. But you might be wondering, what do I do next? Don't worry, we've got you covered with 3 simple actions to help you keep moving forward. First, get the AI Lead or download the beginner's guide to AI tools. If you're just getting started, the beginner's guide is a great resource. It walks you through beginner friendly tools, practical tips, and actionable steps to start using AI right away. Whether you're drafting emails, designing visuals, or analyzing data, this guide will give you a strong foundation. Second, join our next webinar. We're not stopping here. Our upcoming webinar, Accelerating Growth with AI, will dive deeper into how AI can help you scale your efforts and drive results. It's an excellent opportunity to learn advanced use cases and keep building on what you've learned today. Don't miss it. Third, explore our courses. If you're ready to take the next step, check out our digital command paths. These courses are designed to help you build confidence, grow your skills, and become a leader in using AI for your role or team. Start small, learn at your own pace, and keep the momentum going. The AI journey is about taking one step at a time. Start with the guide, join the next webinar, and explore learning paths that make sense for you. AI is here to empower you, and at Digital Command, we're here to support you every step of the way.